For these sounds, I point out the shape on my lips. A real quick burst of air with my finger. Same for the B, but a little bit longer. Ba, ba. And for the M, I show my lips closing. Mm, mm. For the K, the G, and the N sound, I show with tapping my throat. K, G, a little bit longer and stronger. K, G, and kind of holding your throat. For Y, or the Y sound, I make a Y with my hand and pull it away from my mouth. Ya, ya. So for the T and the D sound, or T and D, I tap my teeth. T, D, a little bit longer and stronger. T, D. So for the N and the L sound, I really show my tongue. Na, na, and la, la, showing the tongue flapping for the L sound. La, or al, al. So for the F and V sound, I really point out the biting of the lip. V, v. So for the H sound, I really exaggerate the air. And for the W sound, I really exaggerate the lips. Woo, woo, like you're pulling them out. Woo, woo. For the S and the Z, I really exaggerate the air coming out from between my teeth like a string. Biting my teeth. And zzz, zzz, just like you're pulling a string out of your mouth. Zzz. For these sounds, I really build off of the noisy air with the shh. That's the one we all know, right? Shh. For CH, it's more of a chop. Ch, ch. And for J, the same. J, j, shh, or shh, ch, and j. For TH, I exaggerate pulling on my tongue. Or for the voiced TH. And finally, for the R sound, I show the tightness of the tongue with my claw hand. Really exaggerating that tightness in my mouth with the tightness of my hand.